Metrics for object-oriented design. Now, object-oriented design has a lot of concepts. We start with the creation of class, then we create objects, then we have functions inside and attributes which are encapsulated. Then we have these messages, passing through classes. Then there is inheritance going on. There is polymorphism. So Whitmire, he describes 9 very distinct and measurable characteristics of an object-oriented design. So size is a static count of these object-oriented entities like the classes or the operation or the inheritance tree, depth of the inherent tree combined with this, the size. So what I'm trying to suggest here is that there are certain distinct characteristics, and those characteristics can be an idea of matrix for the object-oriented design, what Whitmire has suggested. For example, complexity. Complexity is all about how classes of an object-oriented design, they are interrelated to one another. So we'll talk about the interrelation here. Coupling is the measure we measure it by counting physical connections between elements of the object-oriented design. For example, the number of collaboration between classes or the number of messages being passed between objects. Sufficiency is the degree to which an abstraction possesses the feature required by this abstraction or a class. This is one more characteristic. Completeness. It will determine whether a class fully delivers the set of property for which it was being designed or written. This is completeness. Cohesion is whether all operations work together to achieve a single like-minded, well-defined purpose. This is cohesion. Then primitiveness. This is the degree to which an operation is atomic. What does it mean, atomic? That is, the operation cannot be constructed out of a sequence of other operations contained within a class. So, if certain operations are there, this operation cannot be completed, cannot be concluded until those operations are also being taken care or included. This is the primitiveness. So, if you have a sequence, that sequence will be followed. That is what we mean, the operation has to be atomic. Similarity means this will determine the degree to which two or more classes are similar in terms of their structure, function, behavior, and purpose. This is similarity. Volatility. Volatility, it measures the likelihood that a change or a modification will occur. So all these are measurable characteristics, and the product metrics for the object-oriented system can be applied to the requirement model also. So these are certain ways to understand the object-oriented design.